NFTs, love them or hate them, you can't deny they've been the talk of the town lately. It is that digital sensation that took the world by storm, sparking excitement, controversy, and endless conversations. From viral memes to multi-million-dollar auctions, NFTs or non-fungible tokens have left an indelible mark on the cultural landscape, earning both fervent supporters and vocal skeptics along the way. In the blink of an eye, NFTs went from niche curiosity to global phenomenon, capturing the imagination of artists, entrepreneurs, and investors alike. Remember scrolling through Twitter and seeing all those crazy CryptoPunk avatars and pixelated apes? It felt like the whole digital world was buzzing with excitement and every NFT auction was making headlines. However, despite their meteoric rise, NFTs received relatively little media coverage in late 2022 and early 2023. People started questioning whether they were just a passing trend or if they were here to stay. It seemed like the hype around NFTs was reaching its peak, leaving many wondering if it was all just a bubble about to burst. With the reduced attention and the price crash of Bitcoin, another highly publicized blockchain technology, it was believed that NFTs have lost momentum and are now taking repeated hits like a surfer caught in crashing waves. Nevertheless, the reality is quite different. NFTs continue to thrive. According to a report from verified market research, the NFT market is projected to reach a staggering $231 billion by 2030. The growing use of NFTs in industries like video games, music, art, and digital collectibles keeps the NFT space lively and active. This opens up a big opportunity for businesses everywhere. So let's start by understanding briefly what is NFT marketing. NFT marketing is a strategic approach that leverages non-fungible tokens or NFTs to promote and enhance brand visibility, engagement, and revenue generation. In a sense, it involves utilizing the unique properties of NFTs such as their scarcity, authenticity, and ownership verification to create innovative marketing campaigns and initiatives. Rather than relying solely on traditional advertising methods, NFT marketing focuses on creating valuable digital assets or experiences that resonates with the target audiences. These assets can range from digital art and collectibles to virtual real estate and exclusive content. One of the key aspects of NFT marketing is the emphasis on storytelling and community engagement. Brands can use NFTs as a medium to tell their story, connect with their audience on a deeper level, and foster a sense of belonging among the community members. Additionally, NFT marketing offers brands the opportunity to monetize their creativity and intellectual property in new innovative ways. By minting and selling NFTs, brands can generate revenue directly from their audience while also offering them unique and exclusive digital assets. Now, let's talk about why NFTs are an integral component in marketing. Number one is uniqueness and rarity. NFTs are one-of-a-kind digital assets, meaning they cannot be replicated or duplicated. This inherent scarcity adds considerable value, attracting collectors and investors alike. From a marketing standpoint, this uniqueness presents a fresh opportunity to engage with audiences. Number two, creative showcase. Marketers can leverage NFTs to showcase and promote unique artwork and creative expressions to a broader audience. This serves as an innovative platform for artists to monetize their creations, while marketers can tap into this avenue to connect with consumers through novel mediums. Number three, blockchain security. NFTs operate on blockchain technology, ensuring a secure and transparent record of ownership and origin. This aspect appeals to collectors and investors who value authenticity and transparency. The decentralized nature of blockchain technology further enhances the appeal of NFTs in the market. Number 4. Digital asset ownership. NFTs grant individuals ownership and collection rights over digital assets, mirroring the ownership experience of physical goods. Now, this resonates particularly well with digital natives, offering them a tangible way to interact with digital content and assets. Number 5. Potential for secondary markets. One of the notable features of NFTs is their ability to be bought and sold on secondary markets. This creates opportunities for investors and collectors to profit from the appreciation in value of unique digital items. Now, let's understand why NFT marketing is the ultimate branding hack. Number 1 is distinctive digital identity. By minting NFTs linked to specific products, services, or experiences, companies can establish a unique brand identity in the digital space. Now, these NFTs serves as a tangible proof of authenticity, ownership, and rarity, enhancing the perceived value of the brand and its offerings. Number 2, engaging customer experiences. By offering exclusive NFTs as rewards, incentives, or limited editions, businesses create a sense of exclusivity and desire, encouraging active participation in brand-related activities and promotions. Number 3, additional revenue channels. Through NFT sales, auctions, or royalties from secondary market transactions, businesses can monetize their digital assets and intellectual property. NFT marketing opens doors for direct sales to collectors, collaborations with artists, and licensing arrangements that go beyond traditional revenue models. Number 4, expanded brand visibility. The unique appeal of NFTs attract interest from collectors, enthusiasts, and media outlets. Through the promotion and distribution of NFTs, businesses can broaden their brand reach and gain exposure to new global audiences. Number 5, exclusive brand experiences. By creating limited edition NFTs tied to unique events, experiences, or access to exclusive content, businesses offer memorable and sought-after brand interactions that transcend traditional marketing approaches. Number 6, intellectual property protection. NFTs provide a secure and transparent method to authenticate and safeguard intellectual property. By minting NFTs, business establish ownership proof and protect digital assets from unauthorized use of infringement. Now, let's delve into some real-world successful NFT marketing campaigns, offering insights and inspirations for crafting winning strategies along with the remarkable outcomes. First comes Nike's Metaverse Leap. Nike's collaboration with Roblox birthed Nike Land, a groundbreaking venture into the metaverse. By acquiring 𝐓𝐾𝐌𝐏𝐒 Studios, renowned for crafting digital sneakers, Nike paved the way for a unique clothing line within this virtual realm. Their Ducks of a Feather initiative extended support to University of Oregon athletes and students, releasing limited edition Air Max sneakers alongside a collection of 120 NFTs in the virtual domain. The campaign garnered immense attention, driving significant engagement and establishing Nike as a pioneer in the metaverse fashion scene. Second is NBA's legendary Top Shots. Enter NBA Top Shots, a treasure trove of iconic basketball moments immortalized as NFTs. Fans can procure these coveted clips akin to collecting trading cards, tapping into nostalgia and team loyalty. Each NFT's value is dictated by rarity, igniting favor among enthusiasts eager to own a piece of basketball history. The NBA Top Shots campaign generated staggering sales figures, underscoring the immense commercial potential of sports-related NFTs. Next comes Taco Bell's flavorful twist. Taco Bell injected spice into NFT marketing with a bold move, offering NFTs for a mere $2 each, complemented by a $500 gift card incentive. This savvy strategy saw a rapid sellout in just 30 minutes, raking in approximately $2 million for the Scholarship Foundation. Their approach showcased how NFTs can yield profitable results across diverse industries while fostering community engagement and philanthropic endeavors. As we wrap up, it's clear that NFT marketing presents an unparalleled opportunity for brands to redefine their identity and engagement strategies. By leveraging the unique capabilities of NFTs, brands can establish authenticity, exclusivity, and creativity in their marketing endeavors. NFTs transcend traditional boundaries, enabling brands to reach audiences across physical and virtual realms and fostering meaningful interactions and connections. With NFTs, brands can create tangible value and leave lasting impressions on consumers. In a sense, NFT marketing represents a paradigm shift in branding, offering brands a powerful platform to differentiate themselves and build communities around shared values and experiences. The potential of NFTs as a branding hack is immense, ushering in a new era of innovation and engagement in marketing strategy. Hope you found the insights valuable. Up next, we'll delve into the top strategies for NFT marketing. Stay tuned and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for tuning in.